Zcash could see a 3% retracement tomorrow, based on 30 rates. But first, let's review the current chart before moving on. As we record this, Zcash is showing a 0.6% decrease and is trading near $238.09. Let's move into expert prediction mode. 30 rates believes the price might retreat to $231 by tomorrow. That's about 3% of today's price. Zcash is likely to approach $233.21 per Traders Union, showing a decrease of about 2%. CoinLore notes the chance of moving downward to $236.59, implying a loss of 0.6%. Another prediction by Digital Coin Price expects cash may climb to $239.03, roughly 0.4% above now. And lastly, Gov Capital Collector expects the price to reach $253.34 by April 4, 6.4% up. This is the strongest return outlook of all. We've covered the analysts. Let's see what's beyond. Let's move forward from the outlooks to the quantitative part. From the variety of predictions provided, the price change could span from a drop of 3% to an increase of 6.4%, depending on the analyst. This means Gov Capital Collector comes in with the top forecast with 6.4% gain in value by tomorrow. Ultimately, you could collect between $4 and $64 for every $1,000 you invest. When it comes to probability, Digital Coin Price has the lead with a 98.7% chance of success. Looking across the 5 forecasts, I've built a consensus outlook for clarity. The consensus projection keeps Zcash around $238.63 with little movement. Here's the detailed picture. Consensus estimates suggest the price may climb 0.2% by tomorrow. This path implies your capital might also advance by 0.2%. On 1,000, this might result in a potential $2 return. The likelihood of the consensus projection materializing stands close to 98.8%. From here, let's see what analysts are signaling for the 3-day direction. 30 rates predicts steady gains ahead. Traders Union notes that Zcash is likely to remain stable. CoinLore indicates that Zcash could keep climbing. Likewise, Digital Coin Price notes that Zcash could push higher. Gov Capital Collector describes the market as neutral, with only marginal moves anticipated. The consensus highlights that Zcash may gain strength in the short term. Overall, the 5 independent forecasts agree on Zcash heading upward. In conclusion, 100% of analysts lean toward a bullish scenario, suggesting Zcash may move higher. 2 days ago, 5 predictions were published. Here's how they lined up with the market. Ultimately, the day's result came to $240.68. 3 out of 5 were correct about the direction. Leading in accuracy was Gov Capital Collector. Now we'll sort out the results in detail. Yesterday's close confirmed 2 forecasts inside the candle. Speaking of ROI, gains appeared across several forecasts, and Traders Union came out ahead with 5.7%. On screen is the performance summary, the combined outcomes for every forecast. Looking at the summary, crypto predictions registered minus 3.1% ROI and $20.33 accuracy. Have a look and see whose forecast matched reality best. Now let's check how the projected returns for tomorrow line up between Zcash and a few alternatives. NEAR leads tomorrow's projections with 3.7%, while Zcash remains further down the list. In this section, Zcash is compared with 4 randomly selected cryptocurrencies. The wider comparison and accuracy records for all analysts will also be shared on my site and Telegram. Like and subscribe if you want to stay informed without spending hours checking every analyst yourself. Catch you in the next breakdown.